Welcome my dear students, welcome to my class on Tally learning for computer accounting as well as those who are learning Tally. You can listen to my classes. These are very useful classes and today's topic is what is a debit note and what is a credit note. My dear students, in a company always there will be purchases will be there and sales will be there. When you purchase goods, sometimes we also return the goods. So at the time of making purchases returns, we have to prepare a note stating that the supplier account is debited. A debit note is issued or prepared at the time of purchases returns. So these purchase returns are also known as returns outwards. Why? Because when you are purchasing, goods are coming. When you are returning, goods are going out of the business. Is it true or not, my dear students? Yes. Means here the thing is, a debit note is prepared at the time of purchases returns. So to activate debit note, you have to press Ctrl plus F9. Similarly, a credit note is prepared at the time of sales returns inwards. Okay, when you are selling goods, goods are going out of the business. When the suppliers are returning the goods, goods are coming into the business. So, my dear students, to activate this kind of debit note and credit note, what you have to do is, from main menu gateway of Tally, press F11. That is known as accounting features. There select yes in the place of invoice mode. Invoice mode in the sense it will make you invoice, means a bill it will make with the name of the supplier, with the name of the customer and all. Okay, so how much quantity is being sold or how much quantity is being purchased, everything will be recorded together with the date and everything. That is said to be invoice mode. Then select yes in the place use debit and credit notes. Yes. So let me show my dear students how immediately after you create a company, from main menu gateway of Tally, this is very useful, my dear students. Press F11. Yeah, that's what I am saying. If you press F11, you will get a company features screen like this. Here accounting features will be there, inventory features will be there, statutory, add-on features and quit. Have you seen, my dear students? Then press accounting features. You will be having this kind: general, maintain accounts only, integrated accounts, integrate with inventory and all. So but we require this. Allow invoicing, you have to write yes. See my dear students, if it is no, it won't show debit note and credit note. You have to activate yes. Okay, use debit and credit note. Yes. See my dear students, sometimes if it is no, you have to press yes. Use invoice mode for debit note. Yes. Means, my dear students, it is you have to activate debit note and credit note. Unless you activate debit note and credit note, it won't allow you to do a programming. Yeah. Now come to main menu, my dear students. If you are making accounting vouchers, like purchase voucher is F9 is purchases, my dear students. F9 is purchases. Okay. So this is purchase voucher. Now if I press Control F9, you are going to get here. This is highlighted. F8 credit note, F9 debit note. Okay. So if Control plus F9, if I press Control plus F9 at a time, definitely you are going to get a debit note. See, my dear students, debit note. Okay. You have seen? With your permission, I want to turn like this, my dear students. Screen ila kindaki paiki tipnane anukodamma. This is a very important question: debit note and credit note. How you are going to activate? See, my dear students, steps I am saying once again. Debit note and credit note are very important documents in Tally ERP9. These two notes are issued at the time of purchase returns and sales returns. These two notes will state how much quantity is returned or how much quantity is being received back. Return means at the time of purchase returns we are returning. At the time of sales returns we are getting. Okay, we show all these particulars, to which party you are returning, from which party you received goods and all. These two are said to be very important source documents also. when you have to record purchase returns and sales returns in the book, you need to use debit note and credit note. One thing I want to say, my dear students, there is one function key by name F7. If you press F7, that is said to be journal voucher. In journal voucher, you can easily record purchase returns and sales returns with the help of debit note and credit note. It doesn't mean every time you need to go to accounting vouchers and all. By practice, you will be known. See, my dear students, recently there was a exam in Usmania University. There also one direct question on what is the meaning of debit note and credit note in Tally ERP9, how to activate debit note and credit note. See, at a glance again I want to say you, debit note and credit note are said to be important source documents. These documents are prepared and issued at the time of purchase returns and sales returns. Immediately after you create a company, you have to press F11. There you have to go to accounting features. There you have to activate allow invoicing mode, use debit note and credit note, and this is the method under which you are going to create a debit note and credit note. When you activate, my dear students, on the right hand it will always show the debit note and credit note highlighted. Yeah, if you are going to accounting vouchers, definitely it is going to activate debit note and credit note. Have you seen, my dear students? F8 credit note, F9, like this you are going to see. Means this is the way of doing. And my dear students, excuse me, I want to give you one more question to you. You try in your own, my dear students. If you are able to do this, very interesting problem is there. You can copy this question and try in your own, my dear students. Yeah, opening balance of cash 90,000. You need to record 90,000 rupees opening balance. You know how to record. Use Alt option in ledger and enter it. Purchased 900 units of pens at the rate 10 rupees from Vishal Traders. Sold 600 pens at 12 rupees to Vinod Traders Koti. Returned 100 pens to Vishal Traders. Vinod returned 70 pens. Sold 80 pens to Vikas at the rate of 8 rupees. Vikas returned 10 pens. Cash received from Vinod 6,000. Yeah, my dear student, this is a regular appeal which I do. So if you like my classes, please do subscribe to my classes, my dear students. Still, problem is not ended. And the cash paid to Vishal 8,000. So how to do steps I have given. My dear students, make use of this. Create a company, press F11, activate invoice mode, debit note and credit note, create unit of measure, and create stock items pens under primary. Then create the following ledgers: purchases under purchases, sales under sales, Vishal sundry creditor, Vinod sundry debtor, and Vikas sundry debtor, likewise. After that you need to record the entries, my dear students. If you want to record sales, you have to press F8. Yeah, F8 is sales, my dear students. If I press F8, it went to sales. If I press F9, my dear students, it will go to purchases. If you want to enter purchase returns and sales returns, from here you can select directly from here, because this is highlighted, because you activated by selecting F11. My dear students, today's class is very important class, debit note and credit note, my dear students. Do write something in the notes, and repeatedly I am saying, and try to practice whatever question that I have given. That if you want to see once again, my dear students, I want to show the question once again to you. You please practice this. By practicing these kind of questions, you are going to learn a lot. Use the pause button. See, 10 seconds I am going to keep the question with you. Yeah. Have you copied, my dear students? I know it's a little bit difficult to copy, but what I can do is, with my limited resources, I am making these kind of valuable questions and showing how to do and all. In the lab, if any one of you have done this, you show it to me. I want to see the output and all. Yeah, these are the steps which you have to follow. My dear students, I wish all the best. This is the question. This is the question. If anyone did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, so that you will get more and more valuable classes on Tally ERP9. Okay. Have you seen? Have you copied, my dear students? Have you copied? Yeah. This is a regular appeal that we made to the students.